ano yung difference ni BDO at saka ni PNB when it comes to the cash installment program of the Banco de Oro and the convert to cash installment program ni PNB. Another thing that could affect our decision making is yung interest rate. I have laid all the cards. You choose which one would you like to get? Kasi kung titignan natin, when it comes to the interest rate, konti lang naman yung difference between the two. May kagandahan si Banco de Oro, meron ding kagandahan si PNB. Si Banco de Oro nag-o-offer ng 12 months to 36 months na terms, while si PNB offers 3 months to 36 months. Ang kagandahan naman sa 3 months, shorter term lamang, alam mong mas maliit lamang yung ibabayad mong interest with them. At kung may available na cash ka naman talaga, so why have the longer term when you can pay it in 3 months time?